as we take more courses and more training and get older, we might be a little worried about people viewing our profile and doing a little bit of what I call malicious math and trying to determine how old we are. And this can unfortunately lead into ageist biases and ageist decisions when it comes to hiring. So today I want to talk to you about the education section on your LinkedIn profile and how you can make adjustments to it so that you're not allowing people to do math, and to also make sure that you're highlighting the most important education front and center with the more supportive education to follow. So using my education section as an example, I have a few different items in here. Now, I've been doing some YouTube training recently as I build my YouTube channel. By the way, a link to my YouTube channel is in the comments below. And so I've been doing a little self-study there. I did some coaching training. I have my degree, obviously, as well as a diploma. So when you look at this, obviously you can tell pretty quickly that I'm in my 30s. Maybe I don't want people to know that. And also, maybe if I'm hunting for a job, they're not really concerned about my YouTube self-study. They're not really concerned about my coaching certification either. What's most important probably when I'm applying to a job is for the hiring manager or the recruiter to see that I have my degree. So let's, first of all, get rid of the opportunity for someone to do math with our profile, as well as make sure that we're highlighting our degrees or our most important education first in our education section. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of the dates. You can delete the dates by clicking on the blue pencil icon beside each of your education entries. And then instead of having a start year and an end year, just change it to year and year, and then hit save. And that takes away the dates. And then same for this one, year, and save. So now that all the dates are removed, we are free to move our education around as we please. So what I want to do is make sure that my degree is the first education that I mention in my education section because it's the most important. So I hover around where the blue pencil is, and instead I'm going to hover over these 4 lines here. And as you can see, that brings up a new cursor where I just click, hold down, and then I can drag my degree all the way up to the top. Next, I would say my diploma would be the most important, so I can drag that up as well. Maybe my coaching might be the next most important because it's with an actual institution. And then my Google self-study can live at the bottom. So this means when people are arriving on my profile, first of all, they can't figure out how old I am by looking at my graduation dates. And secondly, they will get to see the most important education, the most important and most relevant education front and center on my education section of my profile. And it's that easy. Tell me in the comments below what you're struggling with on your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, or your job search. I might make a video just for you. I post new videos every week, so if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get notifications. See you next week.